Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right AirPod Pro and a charged case. This avoids confusion later. Once done, place everything on a clean, flat surface under bright light so you can see tiny parts. Make sure to turn off or disconnect other Bluetooth sources to prevent accidental pairing. Next, open Settings on your iPhone to the Bluetooth menu and keep it visible. This helps verify the replacement immediately. Prepare a soft cloth and a small tool. Do not force parts. You will use gentle pressure. You remove the old right AirPod gently by twisting and pulling. Inspect the stem and case for debris and clean with a dry, lint-free cloth if needed. Once the replacement AirPod is seated, close the case for 10 to 15 seconds to reset the connection state. This primes the accessory to pair. Then open the lid, press and hold the case setup button until the status light flashes white, and watch your iPhone for the pairing prompt. Tap Connect and follow on-screen steps to confirm audio routing. You finish by testing audio playback, microphone function, active noise cancellation, and spatial audio. Play a familiar track and speak to check mic levels. If the replacement fails to appear or audio drops, go to Settings. Bluetooth, forget the AirPods, then reset the case by holding the setup button for 15 seconds and retry. This clears pairing glitches. If problems persist, make sure firmware is current and contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. Hardware faults require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.